Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. I just want to let you know that this video is brought to you by LokPro. We've teamed up to offer you some of the best protection you can have for the disc locks on your motorbike. LokPro prevents your disc locks from being easily smashed off with a hammer or an angle grinder. So stay tuned because soon we're going to be giving away one for free. Be sure to check out their website and Instagram, links are down in the description. This dramatic footage shows how officers caught up with Samir Khan, who reached speeds of more than 60 miles an hour after fleeing from officers.
It's a temporary medium risk because he takes the wrong side of a roundabout. It was a good clear view and it was a better way round the roundabout. Crossfield Road. It's Crossfield Road now at the roundabout there with another traffic unit. I can't at this time. He's got a large black hat, I believe, on top. I can't tell you as I said. Folliott Road. Folliott Road. Towards Crossfield. Towards Crossfield Road again. He's doing going back towards the back of down. He's going to do that. And we're on the Meadway, it was a left back towards the McDonald's on the Meadway. Oh yes! Good sting. It's a good sting, both tyres. Get ready with the dog? Yeah.
Church Road, and he's off and he's running down the alleyway. Yeah, police officers, hold your positions. Go on Wood Road, please.
Right, stay there. Now, I've got a dog on top of you as well. Keep yourself there. Come out. Come out. Right, turn around. Wolf.
The 23-year-old's progress was slowed as his tyres slowly deflated, and despite his efforts to run away promptly, the police found him hiding behind a nearby shed. Khan initially failed to stop for police in Stetchford on the 25th of March this year. He travelled on the wrong side of the road and went through a red light before the police used a stinger in Broadstone Road, Yardley. Khan of Orpwood Road, Stetford, admitted dangerous driving, failing to stop, having no insurance, and a breach of a criminal behaviour order at Birmingham Magistrates Court. He was last week jailed for 20 months and will also be banned from driving for 4 years and 10 months following his release. Sergeant Mitch Derby from the traffic unit said reckless riding puts lives at risk, and it was fortunate no one else was seriously injured. We've listened to the concerns of our communities who have told us about the nuisance and dangers of antisocial riders. So until next time, be sure to keep your bikes locked up like a pro. You've been awesome. I've been Legit. I'll see you in the next one.